Ever seen those ultra-cool neon signs, glowing vibrantly against the night sky? Yeah, they're mesmerizing, right? But hold on, there's more to this dazzling display than meets the eye. Today, we're diving deep into the not-so-glamorous side of neon, the cons that might just surprise you. 1. Environmental impact. Let's start with the big one, environmental impact. While neon itself is a noble gas and relatively inert, the production process can be a bit of a villain. Extracting and purifying neon requires a significant amount of energy, often derived from fossil fuels. This contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. Furthermore, the disposal of neon signs can be tricky. Broken glass and the potential release of gases can pose environmental hazards if not handled properly. 2. Safety concerns. Those vibrant glows come at a price. High-voltage electricity is used to excite the neon gas, creating a potential for electric shock. Improperly installed or maintained signs can pose a serious safety risk, especially in humid environments where the risk of short circuits increases. Broken glass, as mentioned earlier, can also be a significant safety hazard, especially in high-traffic areas. 3. Cost considerations. Neon signs might seem like a flashy investment, but they can be quite expensive. The initial cost of materials and labor can be substantial. Maintenance and repairs can also add up, especially if the sign is exposed to harsh weather conditions. Energy consumption can also be a factor, as neon signs require a constant supply of electricity to maintain their glow. 4. Limited durability. Despite their iconic status, neon signs aren't exactly built to last forever. The glass tubes are delicate and can be easily broken. Exposure to extreme temperatures and weather conditions can also shorten their lifespan. The gases inside the tubes can also degrade over time, resulting in a dimming of the glow. 5. Maintenance challenges. Keeping a neon sign in top shape requires regular maintenance. Finding skilled technicians to repair and maintain these signs can be challenging. The specialized tools and techniques required for neon work can be difficult to master. 6. Limited design flexibility. While neon signs are undeniably iconic, their design flexibility is somewhat limited compared to modern alternatives like LED signs. Complex shapes and intricate designs can be challenging and expensive to create with neon. The color palette is also relatively limited, although advancements in neon technology have expanded the available options somewhat. 7. Noise pollution. Some neon signs, especially older models, can produce a buzzing or humming sound due to the high-voltage electricity passing through the tubes. This can be a nuisance, particularly in residential areas or quiet neighborhoods. So, there you have it, the not-so-glamorous side of neon. While these iconic signs continue to captivate us with their vibrant glow, it's important to be aware of their potential drawbacks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.